Hey y'all, welcome to 6th grade, chapter 3, lesson 1. We are going to go ahead and get started. So, this is saying graph the integer and its opposite on the number line. So you'll see the example plus 6. Well, they put a dot right there. Okay? Now the opposite of plus 6 is negative 6. Okay? So, we're going to go ahead and do this one. It says 3. So the opposite of 3 is going to be negative 3. If I have 3 cookies, I eat 3 cookies, that takes them away. Okay? So in between 2 and 4, still in between 2 and 4 is just negative. Okay? 10. Well, the opposite of 10 is going to be negative 10. If I have $10 in my account, I take out $10, I minus $10. So 10, negative 10. Okay? I'm going to do one more. Okay? The opposite of negative 8 is going to be 8. So negative 8, 8. Done. Okay? So Michael withdrew $60 from his checking account. Okay, so we need to name the integer. All that means is to tell you the number and tell you whether it is positive or negative. Okay, so let me turn that on there. There we go. Okay, so Michael withdrew $60. That means that he took $60 out. Okay, now what does 0 represent? Well, if he had $0, he would have no money in his account. Okay. Okay. Raquel gained 12 points during playing a video game. Gained 12 points. That's it. Okay. Now, 0 would mean she didn't gain or lose any points. So, no gain or loss of points. Okay. 1 went up 25 feet during a rock climb at the wall. He went up 25 feet. He gained 25 feet. Okay. So if it was 0, there would be no change in elevation. Elevation is just how high you are. Okay. So we're going to write the opposite of the integer. Okay. Negative 20. It's going to be 20. Super easy, guys. 4. Negative 4. That's it. You guys do those two. Okay. 10 and 11. Okay. Doxash won a game by scoring 25 points. Randy scored the opposite number of points of Dakshesh. What does Randy score? Well, Randy scored the opposite of 25 points, negative 25 points. Okay? When Dakshesh and Randy played the game again, Dakshesh scored the opposite of his first score. What's his score? Well, 25 points. The opposite of negative 25 is 25. Okay? All right, we're going to go into the back. You guys are going to go ahead and handle the lesson check. You totally can. I believe in you. And we are going to do the spiral review. Okay? Number 3 says Mr. Nolan's code for his ATM is a 4-digit number. The digits of the code are the prime factors of 84, listed from least to greatest. Okay, ready? Scrap paper. 84. Okay? I know that I can do 84. So I know I can break it up by 2 and 42. Okay, well then, 2 is prime. Okay, 42, I can do 2 and 21. Again, is prime. And 21, 3, and 7, both of which are prime. If you don't know your prime numbers, you need to go find a chart and get on that. Okay, so listed from least to greatest is 2, 2, 3, 7. So 2, 2, 3, 7, 10. Okay, all right, more scrap paper out of the way. Okay, over a 4-year period, a tree grew 2.62 feet. If the tree grows at a constant rate, how many feet did the tree grow each year? Well, that means we're going to grab our handy dandy scrap paper again and put 2.62 in the box. We're going to divide that by the 4 years it was growing. Okay, there's no decimal outside, so I'm just going to go ahead and move my decimal up. Okay, 4 is not going to go into 2, placeholder. 4 will go into 26. 6 times 4 is 24. Subtract, and get 2. Bring down my other 2 because 2 is definitely smaller than 4. And let's keep going. Okay, 4 is going to go into 22. 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract, I get 2. Now, you can add a 0 and bring it down because 2 is smaller than 4, and 4 is going to go into 20. 5 times again. Subtract, get 0. So 0.655 feet. It's being measured in feet. Okay? Okay. Write your work down. It's important. Okay. Omarion has 9/10 of the pages in a book remaining to read for school. He reads 2/3 of the remaining pages over the weekend. What fraction of the book does Omarion read over the weekend? So he has 2/3 still to read. He has 2/3 and math is multiplied, of those 9/10. Okay? So now we're going to go through and we're going to cross cancel. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 10 5 times. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 9 3 times. Multiply straight across and get 3/5 of the book. Okay? Okay. Marianne has 5/8 pound of peas. She cooks 2/3 of those peas for 5 people. If each person is served an equal amount, how much peas does each person get? So, all right. Scrap paper. So she has 5/8 pound. And she cooks 2/3 of those. So 2/3 of 5/8 we're multiplying. Okay. So 2 is going to go into 2 once. 2 is going to go into 8 4 times. And I can't reduce anything else. I'm going to go ahead and multiply straight across. Okay. So 5/12. Okay. But she then splits that up between 5 people. So 5/12 divided by 5. Okay, well, 5 is not a fraction, so we're going to put it over 1. Okay, now when we are dividing when we're dividing fractions, we're going to keep, change our sign, and flip. Okay, so now we can cross cancel. 5 and 5 are the same number. We can cross them out and put 1, 1, 12, and it's being measured in pounds. Okay, pause, write your work, do what you need to do. So 1/12 pound, or you can write LBS. That's pounds abbreviated. I don't know why. Something Latin, I'm sure. Okay, guys. Thanks for hanging out for 3.1. Come on back for 3.2. See you soon.